I'm again back with a new episode. Welcome, dear. And this is Greenhouse Kolkata. You've been knowing me for a long time. And this is right at the Keatala Road. I'm here. এখানে আসুন কেয়াতলা রোডে আমি আছি আর টলিগঞ্জ মেট্রো স্টেশন ইজ অলসো অপারেটিং যেখান থেকে আমাদের কাজ হচ্ছে but keep us informed before coming. But you could see the more stock here. And let's start my episode today. Yeah, this is the Kesh. Kesher শাড়ির প্রচুর ডিমান্ড ছিল, প্রচুর ডিমান্ড. This weave. This is the Kesh cotton. আর 1800 টাকা দাম. Hand painting on Kesh. Oh goodness. 2100. Kesh তসরে Kesh cotton এ hand painting 2100 pure cotton 100 count cotton 1100 টাকা দাম. Oh sorry, oh goodness, they will excuse me. আর 2100 টাকা দাম. To R is human, ভুল হতেই পারে. 2100 টাকা দাম. This is the cotton one, and this is 18. Oh, as it was Kesh. Okay, yeah. Look at this saree when spread. It looks so gorgeous. এইসব শাড়িগুলো ব্যবহার করুন, এগুলো খুব আরামের. আমি নিজেও পরি, আমি তাই বলছি এগুলো ভালো. 1800 টাকার শাড়ি. This is 1800. Look at the color scheme. And this stripe all throughout. And they're all woven. This saree costs 1800. And that was on Kesh. That is 21. This is on 1800. Black and white. Goes for the court people. প্রচুর ডিমান্ড থাকে black and white. Judges and advocates and barristers, they always wanted the black and white ones. So we made some of them. Black and white, hand painted one, very decorative. And the stylish one. The black and white always stands out. This costs 1800. 1800. Look at this. This is on that. Oh, I love this texture. Jol Dure Tat. This is actually Jol Dure Tat. Jol Dure Tat. I enjoy my sarees. এত ভালো লাগে তাই দেখাতেও ভালো লাগছে আজকে. এই দেখুন. So fresh when worn. Lovely thing. এগুলো বিয়ের অনুষ্ঠানে নিতে পারেন. এগুলো প্রচুর লাগে দেওয়ার জন্য. 1800 টাকা দাম. 1800 only. Yeah, this is that soft linen variety. What a dressy feel. Yeah. So much regard for the weavers. One zari weave and one tassel weave. The saree is like this. They're all comfort sarees and pocket friendly also. Very nice and comfortable ones. I'm giving this for 2100. And we have a few colors in this also. So stylish. Bhaloi lage. And the good feel. The feel touch factor is there. Well, bhalo. 2100. The saree gives that cool touch. Thanda thanda. So the texture is so good. So stylish. This is the achal, and this is the whole body. This is textured. Hope it is visible. This is a, let me spread it like this. So visible, it is visible now, I hope. And this is the one. These are only for 2100. Very nice. And we have a blouse piece also, but of the body color. Very conventional type. অনেকে আবার একই রং পছন্দ করেন. We have contrast, but they'll say no, you give me this. অনেকে অ্যাডপ্ট করতে পারে না নতুন স্টাইল. Even I'm never a fashionable person, but I have my own way of dressing up. হতেই পারে সেটা. Look at this. Ma used to put powder on my face, I used to rub it. যে না, powder লাগাবে না. And this was me making এখন fashion is এত করছি, এত নানা রকম জিনিস দেখাচ্ছি আপনাদের জন্য. But they are not for me. And that this is like this. Look at this. This is the beige one. So very beautiful. They're all for 2100, dear. Keep up a screenshot me and fatafat let me know. This is that Guri Parsi. Guro Parsi. Guri Parsi boli ami. Choto. The Parsi work all throughout. It's difficult changing colors and making it, even if it is with in a machine, still it is difficult. Look at this Parsi work. Khub sundur. This is again on tussar, 4600, going for 4600. This is tussar silk. One tussar blending is there and one silk thread is there. 4600 for this. 4600. How do you find this? This is so beautiful. Amazing the way they do their craft. Either encourage korun please. And this is the blouse with that. Oh, I forgot again. দেখান, এটা দেখান, এটা দেখান. This is the one. Let me take out and show you. This is the one. Number 9. 9 is going for 4600 again. The same person has done both these sarees. And it has a blouse. It is showing here from here. The same color blouse. Number 9 is going for 4600. This is the one. This is so gorgeous. I've always liked Madhubani, but this time it's in print. I was wondering how the print looks. The print koralam, but that's come out so well, so rich. Madhubani concept itself is so rich. Heritage na, heritage purono jinisher ekhono onek values. Look at this. It's so very beautiful. This is on tussar. This is for how much? 6,900. 6,900. And with a very good stylish, this one is there for the blouse. All over this Madhubani. 6,900. সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, শেয়ার উইথ ইউর ফ্রেন্ডস, প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব মাই চ্যানেল। ফ্রেন্ডস, রিলেটিভস সবার সঙ্গে একটু শেয়ার করে দিন, they could also see. And this narangi color, this is so good. Mustard, this is mustard oil color, no? This is the color. This is the Madhubani. Again, I am showing you the Madhubani. This is with the gorgeous border. এই gorgeous border টা দেখুন, mesmerizing. এটা পরলে খুব ভালো লাগে, খুব ভালো লাগে, বললাম আমি, খুব সুন্দর লাগবে পরলে। 6,900 for this. Oh, this is my artisan's job. দেখুন এগুলো, and wow sarees. Civilization, দেখুন গ্রিসের, all Greece huts. And the color, how do I describe this color? This is from the roots. They're all earthen colors. They're all hand painted sarees on tussars, very difficult painting. Look at this painting. Look at this composition. কি ভালো করেছে, this shading. This is hand painting on tussar, number 12, and the color gives you that mileage of এত সুন্দর color. 8,340. 8,340 for this piece, and we have a blouse piece. Oh, it's a striking blouse piece. $8,340. Yeah, this is the dear one. We keep making this saree. Look at this effect. ছাতার effect দেয়া হয়েছে, all umbrellas, a trendy one. This is on what, tomato red, or it's a lighter version of tomato red. This is not red actually. These are all earthen colors. It's difficult for me to explain. It's very difficult. Tormujer color, somehow light color ekebare. These are all hand painted. And just imagine, so beautiful painting. They're all hand painted stuff. And with this blouse. 8,340. And this is the in color now. The mauve has come now, with all grapevine na pata gulo. Look at this, because this tussar, they're all hand painted ones. 8,340, the hand painted tussars. So many colors together. The depth of the workman. If you could come, I'll be so happy. হাতে দেখে নেওয়া, অনেক সুন্দর দেখতে পারবে। and this is what it is. This is the glass painting one. আমি গ্লাস পেইন্টিং এর অনেক এমব্রয়ডারি করেছি, আপনারা দেখেছেন, and this is the painting we have given this time. This is on very good quality tussar, a very good quality tussar. This is the painting done up. Today I've worn a drab blouse, so it's not giving a good effect on my sarees when I'm displaying. Look at this. But I wear like this, no? This is like this. This is the glass painting. It has always fascinated me, the glass painting. I have done a lot of embroideries. These are all bhanga kache design and all that. I have named them. This is like this, and a very high quality tussar. These tussars are beautiful, and with this blouse piece, lovely thing. And this is going for 9,000. 9,000 taka. Look at this. This is so dressy, beautiful. So dressy, so beautiful. Yeah, these are all mix and match ones. A small bit of embroidery, katha to highlight this sari, a concept sari. These are again acoustic, সমুদ্রের corals and all ওই সব ভেবে করা সামুদ্রিক effect দেয়া হয়েছে, and this is like this. This is stripped and this katha. দেখুন একটু elaborately দেখুন, শাড়িটা ভালো করে দেখুন. It's like this, and down below it's stylish. It's like this. This is all on very good quality katan, and they are all embroidered like this. They're all katha, all throughout. Let me drape this sari and show you. This is a wonderful piece. এটার এফেক্টটা খুব ভালো হবে. মালা, will you help me? এই দিক থেকে একটু take out the sari. আমি আসলে নিচেটা একটু দেখাতে চাইছিলাম. It will come like this, the portion, and the rest of the portion is like this. Spread it এখানে, and এটার ওপরটাও একটু কিছুটা একটু দেখা. This is the sari. This will look very bright when worn. Come here. Could you take it properly? ভালো লাগছে এইভাবে রাখলে. And this is the blouse also with this. It's a beautiful piece. This is on Bishnupur silk, very high quality Bishnupur silk, and দেখুন অনেকগুলো বর্ডারের উপরে এফোর্ট করা হয়েছে. A lot of things have happened, and this sari costs 8,600. The total effect of the sari is like this, very bright, nice. বললেই ভালো লাগবে. You can steal the show. বললেই দূর থেকে দেখতে পাবে সবাই. Something is happening there. 8,600. And this is again the painting artisanal wonders. Magic. This is on raw silk, best of raw silk. This is the sari. Hopefully it is right, or this is the blouse section. উল্টো হয়েছে শাড়িটা. উল্টো করো দেখি, এদিকটাই বোধহয় সোজা. This is the you have to cut this portion and make it into this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, blouse section. Very smart hand painting. এটা ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়ি. Look at this. So very beautiful. This has to be cut and joined. I will tell you when you come, or otherwise I'll also describe. This is the right thing. Nothing has happened wrong. This is the piece like this, and this will go here, and that portion is the achal part. ঠিক আছে, ওটাও এদিকে বসাতে হবে, ওটা ঠিক হয়ে যাবে, উল্টো হয়েছে শাড়িটা. The saree effect I am showing you, this is a beautiful saree. If somebody is going for this, তাহলে আমাকে বলবেন, আমি আরেকবার শাড়িটাকে ঠিক করে দেখিয়ে দেবো. I'll show you the saree again on camera. Good. And this is the achal part. Only the blouse has to be. This is the saree. Okay. It's perfectly all right. Look at the saree. Vishon Shundar Shaita hai. This is the hand painting, new concept. Elephants. And the blouse section. This is the blouse section. This is the blouse. ব্লাউজটাকে একটু এখানটা স্টিচ করেছে উল্টো ভাবে, আদারওয়াইজ এভরিথিং ইজ কারেক্ট. ঠিক আছে. This saree costs how much? This saree costs 8,200 dear. This is on pure raw silk, 8,200. Same here, this saree is again a different color. They're all on raw silk material. It's pure silk, purest of pure silk. It's light to carry also because this is pure. If it would have been blended, aro tale heavy hoto. This is the part. This is like this, and similarly the blouse section. So these sarees are around 8,340. This is the blouse. This part of it. Yeah, beautiful embroidery. The color, rong dekhun. খুব সুন্দর রং, very classy color. Parsi work done up in 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Lots and lots of work. So সাংঘাতিক সুন্দর কাজ, মার কাজ, ভীষণ সুন্দর কাজ, কথা হবে না এই কাজের উপরে. Look at this. Look at my Parsi. This is the effect of the this is on pure Gachi Tussar. And all on silver and white thread দিয়ে করা হয়েছে. Shall we call it midnight blue with a tinge of grey? The color effect. The Parsi work saree costs 14,800 for this heavy Parsi work saree. 14,800. This is the Parsi work saree is for 14,800 with the blouse of the same color. This is again a very good color. এটাও খুব elaborate, অনেক কাজ. There are 4 lines of hard work. Look at this. This is for 4,800 please. 4,800. Olive green and the peach and the blue. There's plenty of colors. Joto colors toto Parsi shundor lage. Parsi work embroidery. 14,800 please. 14,800 for this Parsi work embroidery sari. Show the embroidery properly. 14. Check out this, so beautiful, Babani. So nice. $14,800. $14,800 for this. Yeah, this is the end of the showstopper. Sorry, this is on Gachi Tassar, best of tassars. Look at this, how beautiful. Sleek, beautiful border. They're all embroidered. Oh, this is a wonderful piece. And it's light. Mainly, it's not very heavy to carry, which is very, very important. They're so rich. Plenty of booties all throughout. Come on. If you've liked, just pin me. This is a gorgeous one. Believe me, this is too good. This is for 18,000. And this is antique finish. This is antique finish, matte finish one. This is not that glowing chuck one. This is very decent when worn. Somehow shiny things, lustrous, orokom noy. So rich. This goes for. Look at the workmanship. Mughal trees and egulo koreche. So very elegant, so very rich when worn. So this is our end of my show. So I'm waiting for your response. Every time you've cooperated, let me see what happens this time. Thank you. Stay happy.